1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Olympic white over gold, 5.3 liter Vortec underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper. As you can see, bug shield added. You want to take your time looking through the still pictures on this vehicle. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, only a 3-owner vehicle. Look at the underside pics, interior, engine bay. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website and check out all the pics. And you always call us 507-386-1726. Chevrolet polished wheels, Goodyear radial tires, and plenty of tread left on those. You'll be able to see that close up in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. 156,000 miles on it. There's a few little spots where there's an imperfection, little ding, nick here or there. But overall, for a 99, take a look at the condition of this baby. And like I said, look at the underside pictures. Nerf bars installed. Take a look at the lower rockers first off, cab corners. A lot of life left in this truck, no doubt. Leather buckets, center console. Of course, this one would have the third door over here in the passenger side of 99. Rear bench seat will fold up for more storage also. Power seats, both sides. Also has a Z71 package. G80 RPO code for the limited slip rear differential. 373 gears. Bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Tow package. Also has the electric trailer brake. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 3-owner vehicle. As you can see, the driver's side shows as well as the passenger side. Couple little, just small little chips. Did notice on the hood, but like I said, once again, for the year and miles, seems in nice shape. Take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your late model amenities that you're going to get: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, push button 4-wheel drive. You can run it in all-wheel drive if you'd like. 2 high, 4 high, and of course 4 low. Mentioned power seats both sides. Take a look at the seat condition. Kind of what you'd expect. Leather just worn and wrinkled. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's a key fob on the keychain here, obviously for the doors. Panic button, AM, FM cassette, and CD. There's your exact miles, 156,726. Gauges are working. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that flashing light. That is telling me to put the seatbelt on. Top of the dash. Appears this truck was stored indoors, no doubt. Not sun-baked, discolored, cracked. Radio in working order. Overhead console. Headliner, all good shape also. Nothing over the top for exhaust, anything like that. This thing sounds stock. Sounds good too. Let's take a peek underneath the hood here. I think I can get this one-handed. Headliner intact, nice shape. Look at this engine bay. Nice and clean and tight. Again, 5.3 liter Vortec V8. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Stick around to the very end of the video too. We'll take this truck for a little drive. Let you see how it drives out. 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab 4x4. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Check out the underside. Very clean. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado. We have a third door on this truck. It is an automatic four-wheel drive truck. Buttons on the dash for two-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, and auto four-wheel drive. All our gauges are working. Volts are charging over 14. Oil pressure about 55. Temperature about 195. All that is perfect. And speedometer working well. Factory tachometer also working. Radio in the dash.
1KXLP.
Cassette player. I did not test that, but FM is working. Nice smooth ride from this truck. This truck is well maintained. Very nice interior. Very nice exterior. Does not show the wear consistent with the miles. It seems like it was very well taken care of. Overhead we have some storage and accessory lighting. Brakes are working very well. Stock sounding truck. Corners as it should. Kick down working on that transmission. Very good acceleration. A little bit different color, that darker tan interior. It looks nice against the black. Really nice driving truck. Letting go of the wheel, there's no pull to either side. Nice smooth ride on the highway. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.